Handling a dispute with an HOA in Sarasota is similar to handling a dispute anywhere in Florida. The issues unique to Sarasota, of course, are the condominiums. Sarasota is along the coast, so we have a lot of condos near the coast, and those condos, any homes near the coast, have certain issues that aren't so common in other areas of the state and country. You have a lot of maintenance issues with coastal condominiums. So, what we see are a lot of maintenance issues in buildings like that, leaking roofs in condos, leaking stucco. Generally speaking, if you're an HOA, you will have a general rule enforcement issues going on and also some maintenance issues. But the advice would be the same living in Sarasota, living somewhere else, is if you're having a dispute with your association, probably speak with a lawyer to narrow down what the dispute is. But if you know what the dispute is, go through all the regular means of trying to address it with your board informally first. If that doesn't work, you could send a certified letter, certified request for information. If that's not working, you come to a lawyer such as ourselves, and we typically step it up to the next level and are able to get things resolved for our clients, information access and whatnot.